There are various approaches and strategies that can help in weight loss management. Here are some of them. Calorie counting. Keeping track of the number of calories you consume each day can help you manage your weight. Portion control. Eating smaller portions can help you reduce your calorie intake. Mindful eating. Being aware of your food choices and eating slowly can help you make healthier choices and reduce overeating. Exercise. Regular exercise can help you burn calories and build muscle, which can help you manage your weight. Water intake. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Eating a balanced diet. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can help you manage your weight. Avoiding processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to weight gain. Getting enough sleep. Getting adequate sleep is essential for weight management, as lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism. Stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to weight gain, so managing stress through relaxation techniques or therapy can be helpful. Seeking support. Joining a weight loss program or seeking support from family and friends can help you stay motivated and on track. Intermittent fasting. This is an eating pattern that involves alternating periods of fasting and eating. It can help reduce calorie intake and improve metabolism. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. This is a type of exercise that involves short bursts of intense activity. It can help burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Avoiding sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and juice are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Switching to water or unsweetened beverages can help manage weight. Keeping a food diary. Recording what you eat can help you identify patterns and make adjustments to your diet for weight management. Tracking progress. Regularly tracking your weight, body measurements, and other indicators can help you stay motivated and adjust your approach as needed. Making sustainable changes. Rather than focusing on short-term weight loss, aim to make sustainable lifestyle changes that will help you manage your weight in the long term. Working with a healthcare professional. Consulting with a doctor, nutritionist, or other healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance and support for weight loss management.